pups just look how big they are. These pups just turned 5 weeks old. So it's gonna be a nice little 5-week update. We're about to let them out. Let them eat some of this delicious food. Actually, probably gotta put the food down first before I let them out. Yeah. Alright. So we're gonna get this food. Pups are 5 weeks. I'll keep saying it. And we're about to feed them a nice little starters. Put it over to the side. Put it over to the side. Oh, wrong way. My good man. And let them out. Look at this. There you go. Y'all already probably can tell I'm keeping one of these two. One of these two will be my keepers. They're both males. The 2 brindle ones are the females. Trying to get our feedings in, man. They dogging the food. Dogging it. Let's see if we can get it from another angle at least. Act like they ain't eating days. Act like they ain't eating days. There is space for you to go to that side, sweetheart. Space for you to come over this side. You can move over, something you can do. But yeah, look, the muscles on me. Right? Yeah. I get to see the pups now. That's the size. God, real thick pup. Real thick pups. Saying, trying to get them acclimated, putting my hands in here. Look at they. This is my hand compared to their heads. That's a female. It's another male right there. Ooh, that's a good boy. As y'all can see, these pups, they draw doing it. Like, damn, they're gone. Big 4 bellies over here. Let me take a step back. I can show you how they set up. This they set up. They messed up their bed and chewed up the black part under there. This they set up. They got little toys, nice little pee pad place. Right now, this is what they want to do. They want to eat. Eventually, we gonna get to the point where it's like all pups are gone. This is they set up. This is how they going about their day. Toys to keep them interactive. Right now, everybody's trying to look at that boy. Look at that beautiful boy. You gotta come try and say hi. That right there, that boy Cruiser, that boy Ultra right there. Teriyaki told me you're good. Everybody want to say hi, individually saying hi. Okay. Now we see the pigs. The boys over there, man. They always clean everything. Yes, boy. They always clean up everything. Y'all already know what time it is, man. As soon as they eat, it's either time to play, time to sleep, or it's time to go to the bathroom. So, I'm pretty sure. Oh, you got a nice little hickey when you got. Look at you. It's a female right there. Never female. Never male. But yeah. This was another nice little 5-week update on the pups, man. Hey, Jesus. Look at this square on that, man. Hey. Oosh. No, bro, no. You're not coming in. You too, Teriyaki. Stay back, bro. Stay back, bro. Alright, I'm gonna close that up. Yeah, so this is the setup for now. Hi. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? Oh. So yeah, this is my 5-week American Movie Clubs, man. Hope y'all like, comment, subscribe.